Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel, Tony Best Cosmetics. In this channel, I gives review about skincare and hair care products. But today I will give review about a skincare product called Johnson Baby Oil. But before I start, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. And don't forget to click on the bell icon so you will be notified whenever I upload a new video. Johnson Baby Oil locks in up to 10 times more moisture. It contains no paraben, phthalates or dyes. The oil provides gentle moisturization for soft, smooth skin. It tasted with dermatologist. A baby's skin is at its most delicate when they are born. We spent 125 years perfecting our formulas in order to make them even more gentle for everyone. pH balanced and hypoallergenic, designed to reduce the possibility of allergies. With clinical proof, daily pure and gentle care, even after just one use, the skin is soft and smooth. Free of phthalates, dyes and parabens, baby's skin is nourished for 24 hours. Coconut oil is used to keep skin healthy feeling and soft. Dermatologist and pediatrician tested. Baby oil can be applied to the body and hair and is specially formulated to protect your baby's delicate skin. It helps hydrate your skin and can also be used if your baby has mild skin irritations, just like other moisturizers. Your baby's skin will feel smooth and soft after using baby oil. How to use Johnson Baby Oil. Gently massage onto damp skin after bathing to leave skin feeling baby soft and to moisturize dry skin. Works best on damp, not dry skin. Keep out of reach of children. Do not use if quality seal is broken. Is Johnson Baby Oil good for adults? Yes, adults can use baby oil. While it is primarily marketed for infants, baby oil is a mineral oil-based product that can be beneficial for adults as well. Here are some common uses for baby oil among adults, for external use only. If rash occurs, discontinue use. Keep out of children's reach to avoid drinking and accidental inhalation, which can cause serious injury. Should breathing problems occur, consult a doctor immediately. Do not use if quality seal is broke. Johnson Baby Oil side effects. Johnson Baby Oil don't have side effects, but if you noticed any effect on your baby when using it on their skin, kindly stop using it and seek a medical advice. If rash occurs, discontinue use. Johnson Baby Oil benefits. 1. It helps to keep skin healthy feeling and soft. 2. It protects your baby's delicate skin. 3. It helps hydrate your skin and can also be used if your baby has mild skin irritations. It helps to moisturize the skin. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and don't forget to click on the bell icon so you will be notified whenever I upload a new video.